Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We always talk and hear about free will. We talk about desires, we talk about making choices, we talk about how we deserve the opportunity to make choices. But we do not understand many times that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us this free will. But as believers, we also do understand that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us a constitution of our life, a complete way of life that is called Islam. So Islam is the guiding source, is the guiding point, or the direction for every believer. So Islam has given us the guideline on how to live our life that seeks Allah's pleasure in this dunya and seeks the best of the place after akhirah, inshallah, right? So that free will is given to you to decide whether you want this life or that life, right? So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has also given you the complete curriculum, telling you what Sirat al-Mustaqim is, or the straight direction, or the straight path towards Allah's pleasure and His submission. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also gave us, with this constitution called Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also gave you a teacher. Our last beloved Prophet of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, was sent to us as a teacher, explaining this Quran, Allah's word, the book, the best book, the only book that guides the human beings towards Allah's pleasure, with proper teaching etiquettes and his sunnah and his seerah and his entire lifetime of legacy. So may Allah be pleased with Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his companions, who actually came also towards us as the guiding source after Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught them and he left the dunya. So alhamdulillah, we are given the constitution, the curriculum book, and also the teacher. So now, as a free will holder, slaves of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we have a choice to make here. Either we make a choice towards hell, or we make a choice towards heaven. So Alhamdulillah, as believers, we know that what is forbidden by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in Quran is not a recommendation like any other author, right? It's not a recommendation, it's a direct command from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You follow it, you will end up in a better place. You don't follow it, you end up in a regretful place called hell, right? And in Quran, what is made halal for us, what is made permissible for us, you follow it, then you're okay, alhamdulillah. If you don't follow it, then it's still with the permission. Like for instance, you are given the permission to marry 4 women. It's not an obligation, it's not a mandatory thing, right? You are given a permission to follow something that you can, or if you want to, right? So there are multiple examples of that. So unless or until we are following the right path, that is called Sirat al-Mustaqim, or the straight path, we will continue using our free will, but make informed choices with our intellect and our knowledge of Quran and Sunnah, inshallah al-Aziz.